What's going on YouTube? This is the Meta Wealth by IAC YouTube channel again, and if I haven't already done so in my previous video, I just want to wish you guys a happy holiday, Merry Christmas to everybody who is watching. If I haven't already introduced myself, my name is Manh, and I like to talk about NFTs. So without further ado, let's get into the topic of today. Now, what I've seen within this space is a lot of people are saying, oh man, how do you actually flip, do a quick flip, or how do you basically buy something cheap and set up for a big gain. Now, this is something that I've seen quite often. Actually, there was a story where me and the team were having dinner at one time, and then before I came over, I was like, oh, this project was doing project that's usually selling a lot more higher is going for a lot more cheaper now. And then I told the team, and then they were like, whoa, let's go buy. And a couple, like literally 1 hour later, they bought 3 of these. They called it space apes at that time, and they made over a couple $1,000 in one dinner. So I think definitely with as long as you keep following this channel and watch the videos, the more you'll learn how to do this, because it's all time sensitive. Okay, so make sure, please, as always, this is not financial advice. Always make sure to do your own research. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. So let's say, for example, in one of my previous videos, I showed you how to do the research. Okay, now once you've done the research and you have identified that, hey, this is the NFT collection that I want to start investing in. Now, which one do I actually buy? Now, one thing I would highly recommend you guys have a look into is buying rare items at floor price, okay, or as close as floor price. So let's take let's take Metaverse. Okay, now the reason why I'm choosing Metaverse is because I like the project. So what we do is we go and filter in. On the left hand side here, it says under listing types, buy now. Okay, now when you click on buy now, what you need to do on this right hand side here is sort by low to high. Okay, now what this will do is it will take the information from OpenSea, which is the secondary marketplace for this NFT collection, and it will generate a itemized report based on the rarity of each of these NFT items. Now, why is this important? It's because these people who are currently listing their items, wanting to sell, is wanting to, I guess, maybe get liquidity, or maybe they just want to be able to, I guess, just basically get liquidity. So what we do here is, out of this project here, it's got 8,888 mechas in total. Okay, so the way we see this is, the lower the number, the more rarer it is. Okay, so what we do is, I have a look here, I have a quick scan. Now, generally speaking, the lower the number, the better it is. Why? Is because the future value, whenever this project does go up, then you can make a flip there. Okay, and just like the example I gave you before, literally within an hour, that project had, I don't know, I think it was about 0.4, 0.5, and then it went to 1 ETH or 1.2 ETH. So then it was a really good flip at that time. So here, what I do is I have a look to see at the rarity, at what the floor price is. And what I'm basically looking at is basically a big gap between all of these. So you see, I already see here, from 7,000, 8,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 7,000, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000, 7,000, 6,000. You see here 3,709. So this is definitely one that I'll take a look at, and to see some kind of stats on this. Okay, so let's go and view on OpenSea. Okay, So right now the floor price of these metaverses right now, they are currently on what, 0.78. So right now they're selling at 1 ETH, which is a little bit more, but what you're getting is a lot more rarer compared to the others. Okay, so what I do is I have a look to see just the properties, what is it selling for. What I also have a look at as well is, let's see a particular property which is more rare. Okay, so let's see, Gaijin Gasa H2. Okay, so I have a look to see what the others are selling for right now. So you see here, this is currently the lowest one, the one that we've seen, number 1390, and the rest is selling for 1.09, 1.4, 1.5. So here we already can establish that if we do buy this, then we can make some margins through this. Okay, so this is one method that I'll have a look at. What I'll also do is, I wouldn't straight away, because actually what I'd recommend is you guys not buy at the price that they're asking for. I would definitely make an offer. So usually I'll make an offer based on what offers have been made in the previous people. So you see here, Alice NFT has made an offer 0.615, but they have not accepted this one. So thinking about this person is not willing to let this go for 0.615, but maybe if I was to put an offer, maybe 0.8, maybe they'll snatch that one up, and then there you can make a little bit more margin within that flip here. So this is just a very quick and simple way of how to identify a more rarer, and also what to look out for whenever you're doing these quick flips. As always, please make sure to do your research, and also look at that. Here we see a top 2000 mecha at 1.09 ETH, right? So here I'll definitely would be more interested in maybe getting 0.2 offers on either two. And then let's keep going. So 1000. So this one here, can you see, it looks a little bit more cooler as well. Definitely people buying into this project from experience do also enjoy the artwork as well, so they will pay a little bit more premium on that. So 1.25 here, definitely could make an offer on that one. And yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up for it. Like I said, if there's anything that you would like me to explain a little bit more, maybe we can do it in the next video. Also, in the comments below, make sure to put down in the comments what you guys have taken away from this channel. It's always good to know. And always, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, also that bell notification next to it, because this year we're planning to give you guys as much content as possible to grow your NFT, metaverse, crypto knowledge to that next level. Please make sure to always to also follow the Twitter. We'll be making updates and news on there, and also the Discord. You also join our community as well. You can see what we're all about. Until then.